What up, homies? I am going to show you how to set up your Epson printer to print the best tattoo stencils. First things first, remove all tape and shipping materials. And do not plug in the printer just yet. I will let you know when to do so. When using the Epson printer for tattoo stencils, you will need a special ink. Do not use the ink that comes with your printer. I will link everything I use down below. Take your ink and fill up the ink container halfway. Try not to make a mess like I did. You can also empty out the bottle of the ink that comes with the printer and fill it with the stencil ink. I did not want to wait a day for the bottle to dry, so I used the stencil ink bottle instead. Plug in your printer, press the power button, and it should start flashing. Now press and hold the triangle button for 5 seconds to begin the initial ink charge. It should take about 10 minutes. Download the Epson iPrint app on your app store and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your phone or iPad. After you connect, load your stencil paper and hit print picture to do a test print. I only load one stencil paper at a time since the paper is super thin. If everything was done correctly, you should now be able to print a perfect tattoo stencil. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hook me up with a like and a follow.